What is up, everyone? Today I'm breaking down 4 standout online fax services perfect for small businesses. We'll cover 2 free or freemium picks and 2 solid paid platforms, so stick around for the right fit for your needs. So the first one's website is somehow sus, so I'll just show a review of that. And it's FaxBurner, which is not really a good thing to begin with, I know. But it is free, and it's a mobile-first favorite. You get a free fax number in seconds, letting you send up to 5 outbound pages and receive 25 inbound pages a month directly to your email or to your iOS app. It's super intuitive. You can snap photos, sign documents, archive them, all from your mobile device. And users rave about how easy it is. It's ideal for on-the-go professionals needing quick, lightweight faxing without a machine. The second free option that we have today is Got Free Fax. It offers a simple web-based solution, as you can see from the UI, with 0 ads. Questionable. Oh, actually, I don't think this isn't. I'm not sure. You get up to 3 faxes per day with a 3-page limit per fax, perfect for light usage. No sign-up required. You just upload your files right away, add cover info, and hit send. If you need more, pay per fax credit are available. Now, as far as the paid options, which is the more premium side, Fax Plus is where we begin. It shines with its feature set. It's secure, compliant, think GDPR and HIPAA, and works across web, mobile, email, even Google Docs or Slack integrations. There's a free trial, but to get real value, you'll need the basic plan at $6.99 a month for 200 pages. Need more? Premium, business, and enterprise tiers offer higher limits and lower usage fees with annual discounts built in, because that's how they always get you. Now, our last paid option is Faxage. It caters to businesses needing scalability and flexibility. It starts around $3.49 a month. You can send and receive faxes via email, web, mobile, and even API. Faxage supports local and toll-free numbers, includes unlimited users, and offers online storage, all with no hidden costs and easy cancellations. For small teams, that multi-user access and reliability make it a standout. So there you have it. 2 free options and 2 paid ones. FaxBurner, best for mobile first and on-demand users. Free Fax, ad-free obviously, great for occasional web faxes without a fuss. You get Fax Plus, which offers powerful features and integrations for SMBs. And last but not least, Faxage, which is ideal for growing teams needing users, numbers, and scalability. Pick what fits your workflow and fax volume, and let me know if you want a side-by-side demo or industry-specific recommendations.